Criminals always reveal their true nature when they think nobody's watching, and Bryan Kohberger just proved this in the most chilling way possible. This criminology student who allegedly murdered 4 University of Idaho students has reportedly accepted a plea deal to avoid the death penalty. But here's what's truly terrifying about this case. Kohberger studied the very crimes he's accused of committing, learning exactly how killers think and operate. The most disturbing part isn't just the alleged murders themselves, it's how someone can spend years studying criminal behavior, understanding the pain victims endure, yet still choose to become the monster they once analyzed. This case forces us to confront an uncomfortable truth about human nature.